everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Audi A6 C7. So I'm going to change the wiper blades, and it's very easy and a simple DIY work. And I'll list the part number under my description in case if you want to change yours. And without wasting any time, let's get started. The first step will be we're going to turn the ignition on. So now we are on the setup screen. We're going to go on a car. So you navigate from here by hand, and this is how it looks once we are in the car section and we select car system. And then we're going to check the servicing. We're going to go on a wiper selection position, which is right now is off, and we need to turn that on. As soon as we're going to do that, wiper plate's going to come up, and that's where it's going to stand. And now we can go outside and we can change the wiper plates. Now we are outside of the Audi, and we're going to push this tab, and when we're going to push it, then with the other hand, finger and thumb, we're going to pull this one up so it opens. Go like this, it comes out. And this is the new one. When we're going to put these in, we're just going to drop it in just like this, then press it, and it snaps in, and it comes out in the lock. And this is the beautiful wiper blade. Putting it back, you take the cover off. And now we're going to replace the second one. So I'm going to press it, and we're going to pull this one a little up, lift this one from this side, and then just take it out. This is the second one. This is the protective film. You just take it out, and we're going to drop it in, and then we're going to press it in. You heard that click. So now we're going to put that back, and that's it. That's how it's easy and simple to change your wiper blades on Audi A6 C7. And only thing you need to do, you need to go back to the panel, to the screen, and you need to turn it off. If you found this video to be helpful, like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'll list the part number under my description in case if you need one. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.